Super starts.
Yeah, move to the back. First try, maybe. Starts right up.
So obviously we got some cleaning to do. There's some mold and stuff here, some on the seat belt and on the seats, center console, basically everywhere. So we'll run through here and clean it up real good and take it out. Let's go. Give some stuff a quick wipe down with some Clorox wipes and then clean it up a little more later on. Should probably wear a respirator. Not sure how serious this mold is, but I'm in a super well ventilated area, so should be fine, I hope. Gross. It seems like it's mostly just on the seats and the seat belt, and seats are leather, so it should be a quick, easy wipe down. It's coming right off. The car's only been undercover for about 6 months. Get you in here to see it just comes right off. It's nothing too bad. I'll wipe down the passenger side too real fast. There's my jumper cables I've been looking for. Of course, they're in the car that had a bad battery. Old battery, I should say. All right, let's jump over to the passenger side. Here we are. Obviously, not a bad idea to keep this stuff open so it can air out. So that's why I left the driver's side open. Give it some time to breathe. Luckily these are leather. That's pretty bad. Luckily these are leather, so it just comes right off. It's not really in the fabric, except for the seat belts. It seems that seems to be the worst. I'm excited. Start driving the Eclipse around a little bit. Like I said, this stuff's gonna need to be, I'll end up cleaning this more. I just wanted to do like a quick wipe down just to get everything I can on the surface level. I'll get in here deeper and clean the stuff up later, but some of the bolts and stuff look very corroded, and I'm not sure, like this one here, I don't know if you can pick that up. Yeah, the stuff in the engine bay looks corroded like that, and I'm not exactly sure why, but we'll dive into it and get it cleaned up here. All right, let's drive this puppy out of here. Well, in the midst of getting in the car to get out here, the door handle broke. Typical 2G stuff. So I'll be getting a new door handle. That's exciting. I'm gonna rinse this off real fast, and I'll talk to you in the voiceover of it. So we'll see you later. Hey guys, so I know this video is a little different. Usually the first time you see a car, I'm taking it on a drive and I'm showing you everything with the ins and outs and talking about everything there is to know about the car at an entry level. This one is different though. Obviously, as you can tell, it's been sitting for 6 months and it needed to be cleaned up and it needs some parts and a tune. So I don't want to drive it and run it without having the tune on there and spending the time on the road. I do take it for small drives here and there just to make sure that the fluid is moving around and all that stuff. But once we get the tune in and everything like that, then I'll be more comfortable taking it out for a drive and showing you guys the car and that kind of stuff. So without the risk of hurting the motor, I thought this was the best way to show you guys the car. It was tuned in Albuquerque about 9 years ago at this point, and so being at sea level versus that high in elevation, the tune is very different. So like I said, once we get it tuned and good to go, I will go on a drive with you guys and show you the car more so in that way. But I hope you enjoyed this and getting a look at the car that I've had the longest. I bought it 10 years ago and it's been good to me, so I'm excited to be able to get it on the road, and I hope that you guys are excited to see it. As time goes, I'm going to be installing those parts and getting it ready to get tuned, and I will try to keep you guys in the loop with that and filming as much as I can so that everything is captured and you can follow along with the progress. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.